How to study effectively. When we talk about studying, most students believe that studying means simply sitting with books for long hours. They think that if they spend more time with their books, they are studying effectively. But this is one of the biggest misconceptions. Studying is not about how long you sit, it is about how well your mind is engaged during that time. A student who studies with full concentration for 1 hour can achieve more than someone who studies for 5 hours with a distracted mind. The first thing you need to understand is the difference between passive study and active study. Most students follow passive study methods without realizing it. They read the same line again and again, highlight the book, or listen to lectures without engaging their mind. This creates an illusion of learning, but in reality, very little is actually understood or retained. Active study, on the other hand, requires effort. It means asking questions, recalling information without looking at the book, solving problems, and testing your understanding. When your brain is actively involved, learning becomes deeper and long lasting. Another important concept is clarity before study. Many students start studying without knowing what exactly they are going to do. They open a book randomly and hope that something productive will happen. This leads to confusion and lack of direction. Before you start studying, you should always have a clear plan. Decide what topic you will cover, what concept you need to understand, and what outcome you expect from that session. When your goal is clear, your mind becomes focused and purposeful. Focus is another critical factor in effective studying. In today's world, distractions are everywhere. Your phone, social media, notifications, and even your own thoughts constantly interrupt your concentration. If you try to study in such an environment, your efficiency drops significantly. To study effectively, you must create a distraction-free environment. Keep your phone away, choose a quiet place, and train your mind to stay on one task at a time. Deep focus allows you to understand concepts faster and remember them longer. Now let us talk about one of the most powerful techniques in studying, which is active recall. Instead of reading the same content repeatedly, close your book and try to recall what you have just studied. Ask yourself questions and try to answer them without looking at the material. This forces your brain to retrieve information, which strengthens your memory. It may feel difficult in the beginning, but this difficulty is a sign that your brain is learning. Another effective method is spaced repetition. Most students study a topic once and then forget it after a few days. This happens because the brain needs repeated exposure over time to store information in long-term memory. Instead of cramming everything in one day, revise the same topic after intervals. For example, after 1 day, 3 days, 1 week, and so on. This strengthens your memory and your forgetting. You must also understand the importance of practice. Learning is incomplete without application. If you only read theory but do not solve questions, your understanding remains weak. Practice helps you identify your mistakes, improve your speed, and build confidence. Especially for competitive exams, solving questions is as important as learning concepts. Another mistake students make is studying for long hours without breaks. They believe that continuous study will increase productivity, but in reality, it leads to mental fatigue. Your brain needs rest to function effectively. Study in focused sessions and take short breaks in between. This keeps your mind fresh and improves your overall performance. It is also important to manage your energy, not just your time. If you are tired, sleepy, or mentally exhausted, your ability to learn decreases. Make sure you get proper sleep, eat healthy food, and maintain a balanced routine. A healthy body supports a focused mind. Consistency plays a crucial role in studying. Many students study seriously for a few days and then lose momentum. This inconsistency breaks the learning process. Instead of studying randomly, create a daily routine and follow it consistently. Even small daily efforts, when repeated over time, lead to significant results. You should also regularly test yourself. Do not wait for exams to check your preparation. Take mock tests, solve previous year questions, and evaluate your performance. This helps you understand your strengths and weaknesses and gives you a clear direction for improvement. Another key point is understanding instead of memorization. Rote learning may help in the short term, but it does not build strong knowledge. Try to understand the logic behind concepts. When you understand something deeply, you do not need to memorize it repeatedly. Finally, remember that studying is not just a task, it is a skill, and like any skill, it improves you with practice. You may struggle in the beginning, you may feel distracted, or you may not see immediate results. But if you continue using the right methods and stay consistent, your efficiency will improve. If you learn how to study effectively, you will not only perform better in exams but also gain knowledge that stays with you for a lifetime. Because the real goal of studying is not just to pass exams, but to develop understanding, discipline, and the ability to learn anything in life. So from today, you do not just study harder, start studying smarter. Focus on quality, not just quantity. Train your mind, follow the right methods, and stay consistent. That is a real path to success.